bush.
Go.
Okay.
Okay, time is 4:05. This is 12:08. 226 is Middle Trains to Lincolnshire, Doncaster. 12:14 Doncaster up to Doncaster Office Road.
We said we wouldn't get the ambulance on the blue lights.
No, we got one on the no lights. He's having a coffee break. Ooh. This is the return of 368, and then whatever the Sunday is for the first run. Right, both cleared.
Wait before?
No, it's not coming out.
Let's see if I can get him 2 phones.
First time I have that, all day falls of the Scotsman. Which one though? The Scotsman or the Scotsman?
What, the 91 101?
Yeah, exactly.
That probably might come this way.
Can't tell if I see headlight up that way yet, but I know we've got these Midlands from this direction fast.
It'll be 368 back.
Yep.
We'll have to put a 5 car on it. For a 1 car journey. 153 368 153 153 153 with a 5 car to Doncaster.
It's just a case of listening out for the rails. This way, East Midlands, I should say Great Western Railway.
368 again? Possibly.
Yep.
153 368 to Donkey.
They're eager, aren't they?
And we're waiting for the next one.
They're somewhere over there in it. What's after this? Let's have a look. The 28, we'll get that.
Wanna cross over before all the traffic?
I'm gonna.
Me too.
Yeah. I don't know who's on it, but that's got more mould in. There he is.
Here he is. Got a shed.
A pair.
A pair. Which looks very dirty.
They do. They ruin it.
176 back.
188 to Doncaster.
And I got sprayed again. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.